Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. You are watching for the Rita Tech Solution YouTube channel. Today I will show you how you can use different page orientation on the same Word document, how you can use both landscape and portrait orientation on the same Word document. If this is your first time for this channel, consider subscribing so that you will get IT tips, tricks and how-to videos every week. Let's get started. You may want to change or you may want to use different page orientation on the same Word document for various reasons. Assume because you have a content which cannot fit into a particular page orientation. Say if you have a portrait orientation like this and you have bigger tables, charts, graphics and other big content which cannot fit into a portrait orientation, you have to change the orientation of that particular content into a landscape. Today I will show you how you can change that particular content orientation in a very simple and quick way. I will show you two different methods. The first method is, assume I want to change this first page into a landscape. To do that, what I have to do is I have to select this content, select the content you want to change to a different orientation, select it. After you select, what you have to do is click on the page layout. After clicking on page layout, from the left side, click the drop down arrow next to margins, click custom margins. Once you click on custom margins, you will be presented with a page setup option. Click the orientation you want, say landscape. I click landscape. Don't forget to select where to apply. Click the drop down arrow next to apply to, then click selector text. If you didn't select this option, it will apply to the whole document, which is not what you want. Then click OK. The first method is this one. You have to select what you want to change, then click on page layout, margins, custom margins, then you will select the orientation you want, then select where to apply. This is the first method. The other method is if you have too many pages to change the orientation to some other, but you don't want to select the whole content. In that case, what you have to do is just click at the beginning of where the orientation you want to change. Just click at the beginning and follow the same method. Click on page layout, click on margins, drop down arrow, custom margins, then change the orientation as usual, say landscape. Go to the apply to option. In this case, you have to select this point forward, meaning this point forward means it will change starting from where you have clicked. It will change the whole document starting from where you have clicked. This point forward, click OK. This will change the whole document starting from where you have clicked. But if still you want to change some part of the document to a different orientation, click where you want to change again, starting from where you want to change. Follow the same step, page layout, margins, custom margins, then in this case click portrait. Don't forget to apply to this point forward. As you see here, this one is in portrait, this one is in landscape. That is it. This way you can change the page orientation of a particular content without affecting the others. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks.